How to check the copyright status of a YouTube video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can check your copyright status of your YouTube video. So first thing, just head over to your YouTube application and make sure you are logged into your account and simply select the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you're inside here, just click on this view channel option. So it will take you to your view videos. So from over here you can find all of your videos. So just tap on this manage videos from over here, and as you can see there is already option being shown to me, which is the copyright. So one of my videos has already got copyright issues. So if your video doesn't show any options or text such as copyright, which is being shown over here, so that means your video is not copyrighted yet. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.